Right, so it's evening number 2 for the roll cage. We have just got the MIG welder set up. It's a big boy right here. Right, now for the tricky part. So I pulled the dash out, and now I'm going to bend up the front lateral bars. So they run vertical from here up, then follow the pillar and back along and hook into the main hoop. So I've got this here that I made up when I did the S14. So it's basically my 2 angles with a bit of tube in the middle that you can swivel and extend to whatever length and size you want. So we'll use that, and then we'll tack it with the MIG, and then that will be our offset angles. And then we'll take the bit that we've just tacked up and just gently lock it in place. So this bend here is level inside the bender. And then we'll put on our index gauge, zero it, rotate it and put that one there in the bender, clamp it up gently, and then that there will give us the amount of rotation in the bender we need. That kind of makes sense. And there we have it. We've got about 30 degrees of rotation. Alright, so we've got our cut size there, 1880. Cut it out, mark it out, bend her up. Right, now we've got our front laterals bent up, we can start fitting them. So I'd recommend just going with a 2-angle front lateral, so you got the angle up here, angle down there. I was pissing around for ages to put in another angle so I can get it hard against this, so I can stitch this instead of having to put in gussets. Yeah, that was a bit of a mission, bit of a learning curve because I've never done that before. Lots of different angles and different planes. So yeah, now we're just marking out where these here are going to go and scalloping. I need to take another probably 15 or 10 mil out of this so it sits back a bit further, because at the moment it's too far forward and hard up. Definitely made this one a bit too tight because it is a mission to drop. Okay, I might just leave it there because I can weld everything from there, I reckon. Didn't even need to drill holes in the floor there. Fuck. now the cage is fully welded. Well, the tops are fully welded. We need to lift it back up. So we're hooking up to the gantry, a bit of wood across, and taking the weight up and giving the bottoms a tap up through the hole, because it is super duper tight and a mission trying to do this by yourself. So it's currently 5 days out. We're Sunday night. 5 days out from the Winter Matsuri in Taupo. It's currently 11:15 at night. And I said I had to get this roll cage done by Sunday night. So I'm going to be here until it's done. All that I've got left is the top bar of the door intrusions. If I'm talking a bit funny, it's because I'm bloody tired. But yeah, all that I've got left is the top bar of the side intrusions. I'm going to do a bit of a NASCAR style, something that I've never done before. So I just want to keep going and yeah, do something different, eh? You know? So yeah, have one that comes out, down, and then runs along with that one. And it's going to be stepped out as close as we can to the inside of the door. Alright. Maybe I should weld in the harness bar first. It's probably not really going to matter, is it? Nah, let's do this. 2 AM. Wow. this is where you should replace your steering rack boots if they got a split, because you end up with a nice milkshake inside. So just a quick comparison between the two tie rod ends. Obviously the tie rod's longer than the stock one, a shitload, as well as we've got this extension as well, so heaps more steering. Alright, so we cleaned out those inside threads. I'm going to put some Loctite on this and crank that puppy in there. Oh shit, here we go, is it the right bloody thread? Yeah, it looks to be. There's stuff all of a chamfer on this. Oh yeah, there we go, she's started on the side. Right, so we're just over here at the S15 and Seaton. Yes, I am pinching some more parts from your car. This beautiful Nismo front bumper. Let's just do a quick little comparison. So over here, you got this solid piece of Nismo. She's reinforced as buggery. And then you got this. I can squeeze it with my fingers. She flexes. This is just a bit of shit that someone's bolted on. So eventually, when I've got a bit more time, we'll reinforce this, basically copy this one onto that, and then Seaton can have his Nismo one back.